So South Kensington by day. Very nice. So you'll find H.R.Owen, their actual showroom, where they have all the cars in Onslow Crescent SW7. Right next to South Kensington. You go and visit some museums whilst you're out and about. And here we have a very nice collection, H.R.Owen. All these lovely cars. Maseratis. And of course, a Lamborghini. Very nice.
Other way.
Has he passed his driving license?
Serious?
I'm kidding.
Hopefully, that's too close.
It's really difficult. Well, he's gonna do it. This guy, it's not his first time. It is pretty. I filmed the Lamborghini Museum in Italy.
Go on, left hand down.
So this is H.R.Owen Maserati. Morning. What a lovely showroom. Really, you're lucky with the space. You know, reminds me a bit, I filmed the Lamborghini Museum in Italy in January, yeah. And they also have a similar space. There you go. Very good job. The Aventador Ultimate. What a rare treat. I drove the simulator in Italy.
Next to the one that's covered on your left, yeah?
Lovely Maserati convertible. All these supercars are being lined up and fired up. Look at this beautiful Maserati. The MC20. Maserati. Every Maserati has a story. Very nice Lambo.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling.
Look at the number plate. That is quite a good one. H.R.Owen. Because we are at H.R.Owen. And every car needs a nice clean.